Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to edit the greeting text in WordPress for the year 2025. This tutorial is designed to be completed in approximately 5 minutes and will walk you through each stage of the process in a clear and straightforward manner. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to WordPress. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen where you will find a login option. Clicking on this login link is the first step in accessing the control panel where you will be able to make edits to your website's settings. After you have clicked on login, you will be presented with various methods of authentication. For an efficient and secure sign-in process, choose the option labeled Continue with Google. This option allows you to link your Google account to WordPress easily. When you select Continue with Google, a list of your available Google accounts will appear. Simply choose the account that you wish to use for managing your website. This method not only enhances security through trusted authentication, but also speeds up the login process. Once you have successfully logged in, you will need to access the settings area of your WordPress dashboard. In the settings section, you will find a list of configuration options for your website. Carefully navigate to this area where you can control various aspects of your online presence. In this tutorial, the focus will be on customizing the greeting text that welcomes visitors to your site. Within the settings, locate and click on the discussion tab. The discussion settings control important aspects of user interaction on your website, including comments and other text-based content. By selecting the discussion section, you will be presented with several options related to how users engage with your content. Although there are many settings available in this area, the key element you will be focusing on is the greeting text field located towards the bottom of the page. Scroll down until you find the greeting text field. This spot is where you can enter or edit the message that welcomes visitors to your site. Editing your greeting text is a simple yet effective way to personalize your website and communicate directly with your visitors. Before you begin editing, it may help to have your new greeting text prepared beforehand. This way you can easily review and paste your text into the field. It is important to ensure that your revised greeting text is free from errors and clearly conveys the message you want to impart to your audience. With your new greeting text in place, it is time to finalize your changes. Look for the Save Changes button on the settings page. Clicking this button will confirm that all your modifications, including the updated greeting, will be applied to your website immediately. After clicking Save Changes, you should notice a confirmation message or indicator that your changes have been successfully saved. In summary, this guide has taken you through the entire process, from accessing WordPress via your web browser and logging in using the Continue with Google option, to navigating through the settings and discussion areas, and finally editing and saving your new greeting text. Each step has been designed to ensure that your experience is straightforward and efficient. Enjoy the process of engaging with your visitors by using a personalized greeting that sets the tone for your website.